Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This morning around 7 a.m. I was about to get ready for work, and right then I heard a plane flying by, and it took me to a place where I don't want to imagine to be or I would ever want to be. Subhanallah. I started thinking about that sound of the plane, and I thought to myself how lucky I am that this sound is not ending in a huge blast accompanied with loud screams and cries and fire and buildings falling and people dying. And being an empath and a highly imaginative person, this is how I work. I just imagine everything. I think about something and I can actually imagine and feel it. It made me feel the anxiety, and I can't compare my anxiety to the anxiety of those people who are living in a place where they have no certainty and no hope and no, subhanallah, their anxiety are, I don't know what to say. I don't even have words. I'm not comparing. I can't even dare to compare myself with them, because for me that sound did not end in a huge blast, but for them that loud sound of a missile shooting is ending up in a huge blast and a lot of destruction. SubhanAllah. It is very painful for all of us, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah reward the people on the ground for their patience, for their sacrifices, for their hard work, and being patient on their trials, subhanallah. But it is also important for us to be a little mindful of our own emotional and mental health, because it does have a toll, and I don't want to ignore that fact. Even though we're not on the ground, our hearts, our feelings, our minds are constantly busy thinking and praying for those who are suffering in Palestine. So we do feel the effects of it also. We are also taking up a toll, and we need to be mindful of that, and inshallah try to focus on doing things that are going to be helpful instead of taking up all of that upon yourself. Do the things that's going to help the people over there, inshallah. Share the messages, tweets, donations, talking about it, connecting with your government officials, and do whatever you can, inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.